Hi guys, welcome to Step Up Lives. This video is going to be a very helpful video for all the tech guys. Today we will try to discuss remote jobs. Remote jobs are something that you can do away from the base location, and a lot of tech companies, because of the pandemic, are moving on to offering more remote jobs. Their investments in terms of absolutely holding the employee in that state, city are completely reduced. So a lot of global companies are going ahead with remote hiring. What could be the best remote hiring website we will discuss today, and how you could find top tech jobs in terms of blockchain as well as full stack development. You could really apply to a lot of countries and earn maybe 70,000 to 1,30,000 US dollars a year. We'll know that completely in this video. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe with the bell icon, or like this video and comment your thoughts as well. Let's quickly get on to the website for today, that is we are talking about for remote hiring. Here we have the website on screen, which is remoteok.com. Now this website is a website which will have opportunities for tech in terms of Amazon, SpaceX, blockchain, recruiters and all other places. What you could do, you could directly apply from here, or even actually search something like a filter in terms of blockchain, and you would have all the companies that are targeting or offering opportunities in terms of blockchain. You can also look at the options which are verified. These are most trustworthy compared to others, because here there is an option also to allow other people to post jobs. So it's better that you actually look at verified opportunities. Let's quickly get on to some of the things that is mentioned here. 90,000 US dollars to 1 lakh US dollars is something which is very much impressive. What are the things required? You can just click on this and you will be able to understand remote hiring of senior full stack developer on a cryptocurrency based gambling platform. It is all talking about something which is remotely managed. Please look at the job profiles as well as what are the businesses that they are offering and trying to get into. If you're interested, what you could do is you could click on the apply button. On the apply button also you get a complete job description of this country as well as the job, Australia, full-time, application form, as well as import the resume. All that stuff you can read completely. What you feel appropriate is something that you can apply for. You can also find all other opportunities on this platform, remoteok.com. I'll put the link in the description. If you like, then definitely share it with your friends. You can also see a lot of other opportunities, and you will find that this is a great opportunity to work remotely. For example, Amazon Web Services, a cloud assistant role. This is a role in the US which is being offloaded as a remote cloud consultant. You could read out all the description actually and try to see if you want to apply for it. This could be a job that you could apply directly. So if you like this video, then definitely share it with your friends. I'm pretty sure a lot of people will benefit out of this opportunity, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and bye bye.